Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This week I thought I'd bring you along for a realistic week in my life as a mom of two toddlers while being pregnant. It's a little bit of everything: daycare drop off, toddler chaos, pregnancy updates, and all the everyday mom life moments in between. So if you want to see what life really looks like in this season, messy, busy, but full of love, come spend a week with us.
Hello. That's not nice. I want to start today, but dear, do you play stuff today? Yes, I want to play stuff today.
Ready? Let me wait something to fix your hair, okay?
Nice, I like this one. Yeah.
Do you want
Yeah.
smoothie or you want milk?
Smoothie. I love smoothie.
Yeah.
I love strawberry. your mommy. Mommy, Mama here.
Hi, Mama.
Mama.
Put my tripod in.
Mommy,
Yeah.
it's raining. It's raining, Mommy.
Raining.
I can't do that. How
Put it in.
Why is he sitting?
Take it. Bye. Go.
Alright, see you later.
All right. Bye.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Hey, Vanna, come this way. What do you want? Milk? You want milk? Okay, let me get your milk, okay? Did you brush your teeth? Hey, you want milk? Let me see your teeth. Let me see. Huh? Oh, you're looking at Eliana, the laptop? Yeah. Let's drink milk, okay?
Mommy,
Yeah?
mommy,
Who is that?
mommy,
Mommy?
mommy.
Oh. What did you say? I don't know. I don't understand what's that. Here, let's brush your teeth. Show me your teeth. Show me your tongue. Show me your tongue. Can I see your tongue, please? Wait. You like strawberries? Huh? You like strawberries? You like grapes? You want some strawberries?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get brush. We're going to eat strawberries, okay? You want blueberries too? Show me your tongue. Good job. Show me your tongue. To brush it like saying I walk. Bring your tongue out. Bring your tongue out. All done. It's time to bathe. Woo! See my baby.
I love you.
I love you too. Okay? So this is the next day. I'm trying to put the laundry away. Doing laundry and putting them away is not my thing, but I have no choice. I have to do it. Bump update. Got few months to go, so I'm so excited. My back is really killing me in this pregnancy. Like, it's so different from my other pregnancy, but I'm still pushing forward by God's grace because there's nothing I can do. Oh no.
Cheese.
Okay, come on from my camera. The way I fold my children clothes, actually I don't really fold the clothes. The one I'm putting in the bag is their house clothes and daycare clothes. Each of them have separate bag, so I don't fold them. I just put them because I don't have energy to start folding clothes. I think I stopped folding my children clothes with my first pregnancy. When I had the second baby, I didn't have time to start folding. Since they're just wearing them at home anyway, there's no need for me to fold. Why my first daughter, her daycare clothes, I pick them out every weekend, then I'll just put them outside. The one that I need to iron, I'll just do that. I don't have time to start folding. I just only fold their bed sheet, their pajamas, and put that away. But the rest of the clothes, I just throw them in the bag. Folding clothes require a lot of energy. I don't have time doing that, so I'm just trying to put them away. But their church outfit and their outing outfit, that is always put that away in the closet, so it's not in the bag. Next day, I'm just getting ready for my prenatal group. It's a group where they have expected mom. So there's just going to teach you about breastfeeding and how to take care of your newborn and everything related to motherhood actually. So I'm just taking my toddler along with me because it's a beautiful weather out there. So we're just going to head out right away. And that is a wrap on our week. It was a busy, messy, and a little bit exhausting, but also full of so many sweet memories. Being pregnant with two toddlers is definitely a ride, but I am so grateful for these little days. Thanks so much for hanging out with us this week. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and join me again next week for more life and pregnancy update. Bye, friends.